Hello guys, welcome back to another video. So basically this is going to be Fulham versus Liverpool, Sunday 4th Jan post match reaction. It was kind of like a big game, yeah, but not that much. For Liverpool, yes, but for Fulham maybe not so. If they have to jump, if they have to go for the chase and go for Europe football in the next season. So yeah, it is kind of like an important game for both the teams. And yeah, I'm just on the way to college. I'm just recording this. So yeah, Fulham versus Liverpool, 4th Jan Sunday. And yeah, forgot to do prediction, but anyways, final result was 2-2, high intensity 2-2. I think it was similar to the game with the Man City Fulham 5-4 that was, but that time Man City won. But this time it was Fulham Liverpool 2-2 draw. First goal comes from Harry Wilson, nice goal from him, and Liverpool equalized by Florian Wirtz. The second goal from Florian Wirtz, as I said, to equalize. And then first half was very good from both the teams. Both teams had good chances. Fulham also had their own set of chances. They made sure they created it, and one of the chances did eventually fall into the back of the net. And meanwhile, the other chances were saved. Both again like the Sunderland versus Man City game, like similar to that. Again, both the keepers in this one also, Fulham versus Liverpool, the goalkeepers were on top of the game and helping the team. So yeah, good goalkeeping from both the teams. As I said, first half Fulham had their chances. They were able to convert one of those, and then Liverpool also got their goal eventually to equalize the game. And then if I talk about second half, so if I talk about second half, so basically it was a little bit here and there kind of for both the teams, but eventually Liverpool got a goal towards the very end with the added time of almost 10 minutes added time. So yeah, it went till the 100th minute, and Liverpool score in the 94th or 93rd minute, and then Cody Gakpo has the goal. So good goal. It was from a set piece, I think, and yeah, good goal from Cody Gakpo to get Liverpool 2-1 on the scorecard. And then it's another, the Fulham goal equalizer. It comes from a corner. So basically Fulham play a very short corner. One of the players dribbles past one of the Liverpool defenders. Liverpool defender at that time was, I think it was Jeremy Frimpong. And yeah, Harrison Reed was completely open. No Liverpool player marked him. So he was completely open. And yeah, the Fulham player passes to Harrison Reed, and it's a long shot for Harrison Reed, and Harrison Reed just puts it in the top right corner of the Liverpool net. What a goal of the match week for sure. Absolutely crazy scenes at Fulham, at Craven Cottage in London. So absolutely good result for Fulham. And yeah, I think in the back of the mind they'll be wondering if they want to chase at least top 6, top 7, or they want to chase European football in the next season. So yeah, that's what they're thinking right now. Obviously they need to sign a few players. Some of the departures have happened in the last season and previous to that, but nonetheless they've still done decent this season around. Again, talented players like Harry Wilson, Anthony Robinson, Bassi, Rodrigo Muniz, and lot of players. So yeah, good performance from Fulham. Goal of the match week for sure. If someone else gets the vote, then that's complete robbery. But absolutely good result for Fulham. And they are looking to go into the next match being very confident, same as Liverpool also. So yeah, let's see what happens. And the next video is going to be Man City versus Brighton prediction.